If you work 9 to 5, this is the perfect recipe for you. Quick and easy. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how much it costs.
What?
Please wash your chicken. You don't know where it's been. Shh! Put it to sleep while you prepare the seasoning. For my homemade dashi recipe, click the link in my description box. Trust me, it won't disappoint. It only requires 2 ingredients. Cut the egg whites by lifting it up with the chopstick. I know it looks really stupid, like I'm doing nothing. And you're right, my chopsticks were too short. You basically want to lift the egg whites up high until it breaks. Before you turn on the heat, lay down the onions and cover with the dashi mix. Now, turn on to medium and wait till the edges of the pan start to simmer. Add in the chicken pieces and flip when it's halfway done. Pour in half of the eggs. If you cut your eggs properly, it shouldn't all fall in at once. Pour on the remaining eggs and let it simmer for another 30 seconds before turning off the heat. Ta-da! Enjoy! And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe.